Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting Bitcoin. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in January 2009. Bitcoin can be used to make both deposits and withdrawals in Forex trading. Bitcoin transactions will require investors to make use of wallets, with all transactions being recorded on the blockchain. Bitcoin is currently available in limited supply, and Forex trading of Bitcoin will allow investors to procure this cryptocurrency without the need to mine it for themselves. Mining Bitcoin is a very expensive process that uses a large amount of power and requires specialized equipment. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Forex brokers accepting Bitcoin can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting Bitcoin. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is a popular social trading Forex broker that was founded in 2011, and they have won more than 40 industry awards over the years. By trading with OctaFX, you will have access to commission-free accounts with tight spreads. This broker currently offers over 30 currency pairs, along with over a dozen popular cryptocurrencies, energies, and indices. Their accounts are suitable for trading gold and silver, and we recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading CFDs. There are 2 types of live trading accounts that you can open with OctaFX, and they give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. You can open either a MetaTrader 4 account or a MetaTrader 5 account by depositing at least $100, and both of these accounts are commission-free that offer flexible spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. OctaFX provides high-quality educational resources such as market insights, reliable Forex news, and technical analysis reports. There are also plenty of helpful trading guides and educational videos that you can watch to learn the basics of Forex trading, along with platform tutorials, quick guides that cover some of the most popular trading strategies, and their market information section can be used to easily monitor market events, trading hours, Forex news, and much more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational content with OctaFX. At number 4 on our list is BDSwiss. BDSwiss is an award-winning Forex broker that is focused on ECN and STP trading and is regulated by 3 major bodies, including the CYSEC, the FSA, and the FSC. This broker was founded in 2012 and offers over 250 trading products, a trading academy for beginners, as well as advanced research and trading tools for more experienced traders. A total of more than $84 billion is traded on BDSwiss every month, and this broker is trusted by over 1.5 million traders. With BDSwiss, you can trade a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, shares, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts are available on Classic, Premium, VIP, and Raw accounts, with zero commission on the Classic account, a minimum deposit of $100, demo accounts, zero commissions on the Classic and Premium accounts, tight spreads, and more. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BDSwiss proprietary trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The BDSwiss Trading Academy provides a variety of educational content, such as webinars and seminars, ebooks on Forex trading, live educational services, lessons on the basics of Forex trading, as well as a Forex glossary and educational videos. As a BDSwiss client, you will have access to a wide range of innovative trading tools for research and analysis, risk management, charting, and so much more. If you are searching for any additional educational content with BDSwiss. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap 3 accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 2 on our list is HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, with lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, zero spread, and HF copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best forex brokers accepting Bitcoin, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best forex brokers accepting Bitcoin on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.